I think it'll be no secret that the biggest mystery and the most important challenge for humanity has always been space. The vast expanses of the universe captivated people with their cold aloofness, even in the era when the first civilizations were just beginning on Earth and primitive science was springing up. Even then, there were inquisitive minds who wanted to at least open the veil of mystery that separated man from the mysterious heavenly bodies. Centuries passed, followed by millennia. People have come a long way. We've managed to discover many secrets, and spacecraft have approached the farthest corners of the solar system. Some even managed to break out of it. The surface of Mars is furrowed by rovers. Orbiting telescopes allow us to see distance so unlike our world exoplanets. But can we claim that the universe has opened up to us? How many shocking secrets and amazing wonders are still waiting for their discoverers on the dusty roads of the universe? In 2008, a team of scientists, which included such authoritative astrophysicists as Alexander Koshlinsky, Daniel Korchevsky, Harold Ebeling, and others, discovered something very strange. This something did not just set new challenges for science. What was discovered did not fit into the modern picture of understanding the cosmos at all. What did the scientists see? More than 1,000 large clusters of galaxies have formed a giant stream that's rushing at high speed to a point located somewhere outside the observable universe. We remember that according to the well-known theory, the universe is constantly expanding. This certainly leads to the movement of galaxies and groups of galaxies. It's surprising that the movement of this stream is not random and chaotic, but clearly organized. Just imagine, it turns out that somewhere outside the observable universe there must be something huge, which has an incredible force of attraction. Something that could attract a whole group of clusters of galaxies. Back in the late 90s, physicists discovered the expansion of our universe. This caused a huge amount of debate and controversy because it would seem that gravity attracts cosmic bodies to each other. Where does this repulsion, expansion, come from? As if these questions weren't enough, in the future it turned out that the process of the expansion of the universe is accelerating with time. Previously, scientists assumed that the bulk of the mass of the visible and invisible universe is matter. The theory of dark matter and all cosmological models that existed at that time said the expansion of the universe should slow down. But for some reason, we're seeing acceleration. It turns out that there must be some other force unknown to us. This is how the concept of dark energy appeared. It's a terrible name, isn't it? Dark energy is the assumed energy with negative pressure. If gravity attracts bodies to each other, then dark energy must repel them. We can assume that since we're now seeing a constant acceleration of the expansion of the universe, therefore, on a cosmic scale, the influence of dark energy is stronger than the influence of familiar and well-studied gravity. Let's return to our mysterious stream. The scientists who discovered it also received a lot of criticism. It was claimed that the mysterious stream did not appear in subsequent observations. But later, after analyzing 1,400 galactic clusters, even skeptics had to accept the existence of this phenomenon. The cluster is actually moving in a specific direction at a speed of about 1,000 kilometers an hour, and is part of a huge stream that stretches for about 3 billion light-years. Remember dark energy? So it was decided to call our stream the dark stream, drawing a connection between these two phenomena. It's assumed that the dark stream originated shortly after the Big Bang under the influence of some unknown force acting beyond the horizon, that is, outside the observable universe. Cosmologist and theoretical physicist Laura Mersini-Houghton put forward a sensational hypothesis. She believes that the dark stream may be a sign of the existence of another universe in the neighborhood of our own. In the 80s, Stephen Hawking proposed the hypothesis that the Big Bang was accompanied by many other similar explosions, each of which gave rise to its own separate universe. In some ways they are similar to each other, and in some ways they are not. Imagine a universe that also has an Earth, but the dinosaurs didn't die out on it, or there was no life on it at all. It turns out that if everything is possible in an infinitely large number of universes, then we can't even predict what the laws of physics would be in our own. This completely destroys our model of the universe. All scientific achievements become meaningless overnight. To help the scientific community again comes Stephen Hawking, who, with the help of new mathematical methods and with the support of his colleague Thomas Hertog, puts forward a new hypothesis which states that there are indeed many universes, but they are all similar to each other. According to scientists, if these universes exist, they must have left a special trace on the background of microwave radiation, a kind of light echo that filled space 380,000 years after the Big Bang. It remains only to confirm this theory in practice, namely to fix this trace. Today, the multiverse hypothesis has many supporters. For example, Alexei Starobinsky, chief researcher at the Landau Institute for Theoretical Physics, believes that it is extremely stupid to reject it. We know that black holes do exist, but we cannot yet observe the process taking place beyond the event horizon, even more so in its singularity. This is not a reason to consider these processes mythical. We just don't have the right tools and technologies yet. Dark energy and multiverse theory can turn our world upside down. Even the small amount of information we now have makes us look at our universe differently, and perhaps even revise its basic laws. What do you think the future holds for science? Will we be able to finally unravel the structure of the mechanisms of the universe, or is it a Sisyphean task, an endless race against time, where for every mystery solved, we'll be offered a few more unsolved ones? Write your versions in the comments and don't forget to like them. Thank you for viewing, friends. We're very happy that you like the videos we make. Thank you for your support, likes, and comments, for recommending us to your friends and sharing our videos in social networks. We appreciate it very much. You are our best audience. If the likes pass the 20,000 mark, we'll try to release a sequel where we'll introduce you to even more interesting facts about modern science.